Hi, my friends, this is Ian. Welcome to step 4. Well done for completing them first 3 steps. Now, this has to be the second most important step. The first really important step when it comes to doing anything online is branding yourself. Now, you've seen this image before in step 1. There are a whole load of programs. There's got to be 100 on there at least. And they all brand themselves. Now, the second most important thing to branding is advertising. Now, these companies that you see before you here, they spend billions on advertising. Now, we are not expecting you to do that. Most people that do affiliate marketing, for the very first time, they want something simple. They want something that's cost effective, okay, or even free. So what we do here at Buildabizonline, we have provided you with a list of programs underneath this video, but wait till you've seen the whole video. There are some recommended advertising programs. Now, there is another important place to look, and that is on the home page. So let's have a look here at the members area, that is, of course. Okay, and I've asked you before to click on this link and to see what your sponsor is promoting. Now, they could be promoting some advertising programs, and that's the first port of call. So click on there to see if there's any advertising programs that you can promote your existing business using the Buildabizonline marketing system. Now, maybe you're a seasoned pro, you're a long-time affiliate marketer, so you will possibly have a list of your own advertising program. So well done for that. But if you're brand new or you're looking for some extra places to advertise, then step 4 is the place. You're just watching this video now, and that list is here. Now, I will be honest that mainly I use the downliner because that is a co-op. Okay, now it is a program where you can add your links, your affiliate links, and they will provide it in a number of other advertising programs. And this saves you surfing all day. Now, some people love to surf, so they go and join things like traffic exchanges. Okay, now there's a couple on here. This Jungle Clicks Traffic, this is the Buildabiz Ad Exchange. There's this one, Fast and Furious, which is another great one. Social Surf for You, and we've got Premium Traffic. Now, the one I missed out there is Mountain High Mailer. Now, mailers are a different kettle of fish, as we say over here in the UK. And what I'm going to do is put a video with the lady that owns this explaining a little bit about Mountain High Mailer and how you can add your affiliate links to that particular program and any other viral mailer. Okay. Incidentally, all these programs contain members that have given you permission for you to advertise your programs, okay, your affiliate links, okay. So it is not spam. Now, when you come to promoting We do not allow spam, and you need to look at our spam laws on that. So spam is sending emails out to people that don't want your emails. They have not asked for you to send them a link on a particular program. Now, sadly, the internet is full of people like that, but we do not allow it. Okay? We do not allow it. So you need to look at our spam laws on that. You can find them in the footer, and you can find them in here. Okay? Just down here, our legal information. So what I want you to do, I want you to enjoy having a look through these. Now, the thing is about this is also what we call a downline builder. So in other words, if you join these programs, when you've joined and verified that you want to become a member over there, and you get your ID or your username, you can place it in this box just here. That's the username. This is an ID number. Different programs use different setups. And then when you've added them all, you can click here. But please refrain from adding things in this box if you are not a member of those programs. But when you have joined and you've confirmed that you're interested in using their service, add your IDs or your usernames and then click save. Okay. Now, in another video, I'm going to show you how I use traffic exchanges because that's my favorite. Okay. Then I'm going to let Diane explain a little bit on how to add your affiliate links over at the Mountain High Mailer. Now, those videos are to come. So thanks for listening to this. This is step 4, over and done with. And it's really important that you advertise, advertise, advertise so that you get your links seen and so people can buy from you or join programs or whatever it is that you are promoting. So thanks for listening and bye for now.